Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making blender potato pancakes. You can have these plain, or I like the sour cream. They're really easy to make. There's no baking, there's no ricing. It's all done in the blender. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter melted, 2 tablespoons of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 small onion sliced, and 2 cups of peeled raw potatoes diced. And don't forget the handy dandy blender. Okay, in the blender you want to put the eggs, the milk, the melted butter, the flour, the onion, salt and pepper, and about 1 cup of the potatoes. Okay, put the lid on. And you're going to do this about a medium speed for about 8 seconds or until it's coarsely chopped. The remaining potatoes. And these were potatoes that were about 3 potatoes, and they fit in the palm of my hand. And I just diced them like I normally do for mashed potatoes. Okay, you want to do this for 8 seconds. Okay, I sprayed my griddle with butter-flavored Pam, just because I can't handle oil. And when it gets nice and hot, and now the water's bubbling, put about 1/2 cup of the potato mixture. That's a little big. I think I'd do about 1/4 cup. But you can tell it's been a while since I've made these. And you let it cook until it gets browned on one side, and then you flip them to the other side and brown that. Okay, they're all cooked. Made a stack of about 10, and I can't wait for the family to dig into this. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.